These are the directions to take a picture and upload your picture into your assignments on Schoology. So first you need to find your camera. In this white search bar down here, you're going to type the word camera, C-A-M-E-R-A. It'll pop up. It's a picture of a camera. I'm going to click on it. Now you are ready to take a picture of your work. Just make sure that all of the words you can see in your camera, that your fingers are not covering up any of the words. So pull them back, hold it up to the camera, get as close as you can without losing any of your words. And once you have that, go ahead and push this white camera button. It says take a photo. Now your photo is in your camera roll, and that is down here in the corner. So you're going to push camera roll and double check your photo. Can you see all the words? Yes. Make sure my fingers are not covering up any of my words. If it's super blurry, you can't see it, your fingers are covering up words, you need to retake the picture. You're just going to push this trash can that says delete. It'll delete the photo, and then it'll give you another chance to take another picture. And you can do that as many times as you need to until you get the perfect picture. Once you have the picture you like, you're going to go back down and you're going to go back to your Schoology page so you can submit your assignment. So I'm in ELA and I'm in the first week, and this is work for Tuesday, and it's traits of a friend. So I'm going to read my directions. It says, on a blank piece of paper, draw a picture of a friend and write 3 character traits you would want in them. Take a picture of your work and upload it here. So I drew my friend on my paper, and I wrote 3 traits and described why I would want those traits in a friend. I took a good picture of it, and now I'm ready to upload it. So I'm going to push start attempt. And then I'm going to push upload file. I need to go back and find where I put that picture at. So it's always going to be under pictures. Click that, and it's going to be in your camera roll. So click your camera roll. You'll have to double click. And the last picture you took will be the last one you see. So I've taken 4 pictures, and the one that I want is the very last one. That's my best picture. So I'm going to click on my picture that I want and push open. It is uploaded. And now I'm going to push this blue button that says review. It says that I took a picture of it. If I click on it, it takes me back. So you don't need to click on it, you just need to push finish. It says all questions have been attempted. Do you want to submit the activity now? If you did all those steps and you uploaded your picture just like I showed you, then you're going to push yes. If you uploaded the wrong picture, then you're going to push no, and you're going to go back and pick the right picture. So I know I did everything right, that I selected the right picture, so I'm going to push yes. It says up here, your activity has been submitted. So submitted, and now I'm done. So I can go back into my folders or back into my home screen, whatever you want to do, but that assignment is now complete.